Good morning, everyone. Today we read chapter 12 Discipline in Life. Let's read the chapter. Discipline refers to self control. It means doing the right thing in a right way at the right time. In short, it means following rules, doing our duty, and completing our work on time. It is a way of life aimed at conformity. स्टूडेंट सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन का मतलब होता है सेल्फ कंट्रोल. It means that doing our duty or completing our work in a right way at the right time. It is something that keeps each person in control. Discipline is a way of life aimed at conformity, means it is accepted by the society and practiced at large. Discipline is an important part of life. As the child grows older, parents and other elders start teaching discipline. As the child enters school, the responsibility is further shared by the teacher. If the child is given good base of morality, his or her inner voice or conscience disciplines him at a later stage. Student, discipline जो है ये हमारी लाइफ का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट माना जाता है. डिसिप्लिन जो है वो आगे 2 टाइप्स में क्लासीफाई होता है. फर्स्ट वन इज इंड्यूस्ड एंड सेकंड इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. इंड्यूस्ड डिसिप्लिन जो है वो चीज़ होती है जो कि हमें कोई सिखाता है, यानी कि जो हम किसी को देख के या सीखते हैं वो होता है इंड्यूस्ड डिसिप्लिन. For example, when the child grows older, parents, other elders and teachers help him or her to be responsible and disciplined. If a child has good base of morality, then at his or her later stage, he or she will generally be disciplined due to their inner voice and conscience. As discipline is the most desirable thing, therefore training for discipline starts in childhood. It lends a lot of grace and dignity to a person, making him stable and dependable at a later stage. A disciplined person is always sought after. Discipline जो है वो बचपन में ही स्टार्ट हो जाता है because it is important thing in life. It not only stables a life but also adds grace and dignity to their character. एक पर्सन जो है वो अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करता है, लेकिन डिसिप्लिन पर्सन जो है उसे पता होता है कि उसने अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. डिसिप्लिन इज फॉलोड इवन इन द यूनिवर्स. देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे इन विच द नेचर फंक्शंस. देयर इज ऑर्डरलीनेस, रेगुलरिटी एंड सिस्टमैटिक फंक्शन इन नेचर. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन बिलो. स्टूडेंट्स, सिर्फ हम लोग इंसान ही नहीं, इवन यूनिवर्स जो है वो भी डिसिप्लिन को ही फॉलो करता है. नेचर्स टू फंक्शंस इन अ सिस्टमैटिक रेगुलर एंड ऑर्डरली मैनर. नाउ लेट्स रीड फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट इज ऑर्डरलीनेस. द ants move one behind another in a proper line. Planets rotate and revolve in an orderly manner. The plants also develop orderly from seed to root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Yes, first one is orderliness. As we see in the first example, the ants move in a proper line. Even planets rotate and revolve in an orderly manner. Plants also follow a cycle. They develop from seed to root, then stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and fruits give us seeds, and the cycle again continues. Second one is regularity. The earth rotates regularly, and this rotation causes day and night. The earth revolves regularly, giving us different seasons. The birds migrate regularly from cold countries to warm countries in winter. Likewise, orderly, the earth rotates regularly, causing day and night, and also giving us different seasons. The birds migrate from colder country to warm countries during winter. बच्चे हमें तो हमने साइंस में ये चीज़ पढ़ी हुई है कि बर्ड्स जो हैं वो माइग्रेट करते हैं एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री। वो क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि ज़्यादा ठंड के इलाके में नहीं रह सकते, तो उनको इसलिए मूव करना पड़ता है वार्म एरियाज में फॉर द फूड। ठीक है, सो ये भी एक रेगुलरिटी है। जैसे अर्थ रोटेट करती है, जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा ही है कि अर्थ रोटेट करती है तो डे नाइट होता है, ऐसे ही। ठीक है, सो रेगुलरिटी जो है वो भी नेचर जो है वो मीन्स फॉलो करती है। नेक्स्ट इज सिस्टमैटिक फंक्शन। द इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस इन नेचर इज प्रिजर्व्ड बाय द फूड चेन। द हार्ट पंप्स blood regularly. The oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle continues on a regular basis. Students, जैसे कि हमें पता है कि हमारे जो बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं वो भी रेगुलरली ही वर्क करते हैं। जैसे कि हार्ट हो गया, वो रेगुलरली हमारा पूरी बॉडी को ब्लड जो है वो पंप करता है। The cycle of oxygen and carbon dioxide continues on regular basis. Thus, nature also teaches us that we should observe laws and follow rules in our life. Thus, nature is a great teacher. People who live close to nature learn wisdom and knowledge from it by observing its laws. Thus, we see how orderly and disciplined nature is. Another such place where we find total discipline is the armed forces. Here, indiscipline is severely dealt with. That is referred as a military discipline. The practice of discipline is necessary to inculcate, as then only a country would be more orderly and better organized. However, every time a watch or a supervision is not possible to ensure that everything is happening correctly. Therefore, people need to inculcate self-discipline. It is actually the true discipline that would ensure self-control and smooth functioning of the society. Self-discipline has been a virtue that has produced many great men and women. They have just been focused and disciplined. This is because they themselves imposed restrictions on themselves to reach heights of glory. Yes, students, there is another very good example where discipline is strictly followed, that is the armed forces. Here discipline is inculcated and practiced rigorously. Every time we should not be supervised for our conduct. So we should be a self-disciplined. It motivates a person to progress in life and achieve success. Many great men and women reached heights only because of self-discipline and following of true discipline. They imposed restrictions on themselves. Indiscipline creates problems. It causes fights and confusions. This stops everyone from going ahead, be it a person, a group, or a society. Thus, it is essential to inculcate discipline to let harmony prevail. बच्चे, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जो इनडिसिप्लिन है वो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करता है, जैसे कि फाइट्स, कन्फ्यूजन एंड डिसहार्मनी prevails in the society. So, it is important to be disciplined in a life. So, moral of the story is discipline makes our life valuable. स्टूडेंट्स, डिसिप्लिन जो है वो हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। डिसिप्लिन के बिना हम अपनी लाइफ को स्टेबल नहीं कर सकते। सो इट इज दैट लैडर बाय विच द पर्सन अचीव्स सक्सेस, as it helps to focus on our goals. Thanks and have a nice day.